Hi, I am Ali Reza. Today, let's fix the most common performance killer in Laravel, the n plus 1 query problem. Look at this loop. We are fetching users, and then for each user, we fetching their latest post from the database. If we have 100 users, Laravel will run 101 database queries. This makes the application very slow. Now let's fix it using eager loading. I added the with method here. This tells Laravel to fetch all users and their reports in just two queries. Now inside the loop, the data is already in memory. No more database calls. By changing one line, we reduce queries from 101 to 2. This is essential for high performance APIs. Thanks for watching.